Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, I'm Alex Merrifield. I'm a consultant here at Solve.cloud, and welcome to another video about Agentforce. Today's question we're going to look at is, can Agentforce track customer satisfaction? And it's super important to think about this because in today's fast-paced world, understanding customer sentiment is vital. Traditional methods like surveys often fall short, they're delayed or have low response rates and don't capture real-time feelings. Many businesses struggle to get a true continuous pulse on how their customers are feeling. This leads to missed opportunities to improve experiences and build loyalty. So, how do you know if your customers are truly happy or just saying so on a survey? Let's dive in. So first off, let's explore why other solutions often fall short. Understanding crucial sentiment is crucial. So let's talk about surveys. Traditional surveys often fall short because they can be delayed, have low response rates, or don't capture real-time feelings when the individual might be filling the survey out. Many companies rely on standalone customer satisfaction tools, but these often can create data silos. They don't often integrate well with your CRM, especially if they're legacy. So you're usually missing the full customer picture. Of course, something we don't want to worry about when we're trying to get sentiment from customers is the idea of trust. And trust issues can arise with other AI platforms. You might not know their data processing or security practices, which is top of line when we're dealing with customer information in every case. So rather, Salesforce with Agentforce offers a unique advantage. It's built on a trusted platform, integrates seamlessly with your existing data, and prioritizes data security. And that's a real ticket here. The idea, and we talk about it a lot in these videos, is having access to your CRM information and keeping it there. The Einstein trust layer is involved here as well, where your data will be masked and kept secure as you leverage really strong AI models that continue to roll out. But with this, let's imagine having to manage dozens of different AI tools. This would be a nightmare. Salesforce can help you keep everything in one place, minimizing the cost and complexity. So here's how Agentforce shines in tracking customer satisfaction. Because Agentforce is integrated with Data Cloud, it can access real-time customer data from various sources. This is call transcripts, it can be listening to video recording, all that type of real-time information that leverages everything. This means that Agentforce can analyze interactions, support cases, and even social media mentions to gauge customer sentiment. If that information is coming in with tools that are leveraged like Data Cloud, that retrieval from the system is able to keep all this information clear for the specific customer. This is where we talk about the idea that Agentforce allows for not just a personalized experience for these people, but it brings in a more human aspect where they're not really feeling like they're talking to some chatbot. It's like they're talking to an actual human. And in this case as well, the agent can do so much of the work for us and get us to a jump-started position on things like customer sentiment. So overall, again, Agentforce can identify all of these different locations where this data may be coming in and identify patterns and trends in customer sentiment, which is extremely powerful as we're looking to enhance these experiences and identify when those experiences of high satisfaction are found. Before this video ends, I want to throw out a scenario where we can think about this in play. Imagine having custom prompts or flows that can analyze customer interaction and provide a real-time sentiment score. Something that is numerical based, something that we can use for predictions and even engage into more in-depth study of how things are working. This allows you to proactively address issues and personalize interactions much faster than ever before. For example, if Agentforce detects a high level of frustration, it could automatically escalate the case to a human agent or trigger a proactive outreach. This allows for things like immediately providing a refund or offering a one-on-one interaction with a live person. It can completely change the way the game is. So overall, Agentforce offers custom prompts and flows for real-time sentiment analysis. So the key difference here is the integration. Agentforce isn't just another AI tool. It's built within Salesforce, so it leverages your existing data and workflows. This allows for true real-time insights and a 360-degree view of your customer. This allows you to quickly adjust and adapt to customer sentiment and to keep your customers happy. There's a huge advantage over other AI platforms that lack some of that deep integration and the real-time capability. So if you're ready to take your customer satisfaction tracking to the next level, here are some ideas of what you can do. So first, explore the Agentforce demos to see its capabilities firsthand. There are a lot of them out there. Salesforce just released some official Agentforce demos for the Spring 25 release. Just happened, has a lot of exciting updates. I'll include the link below in this video. Also, like this video and subscribe to the Solve.Cloud channel. You'll see our Agentforce playlist come up where we answer questions about the tool and explore use cases as well. In addition to both of those, I highly recommend diving into Salesforce Foundations in your own org. I'll also add a link for this down below. It's truly the best way to get hands-on and see the potential of Agentforce for yourself. Think of it as your personal innovation sandbox. So here's the exciting part. Salesforce Foundations is currently available at a zero cost. That's right, you can access these powerful AI tools for no money and start building proof of concepts without any upfront investment. Salesforce even provides now free credits specifically for testing, allowing you to experiment with different use cases and truly understand how Agentforce can transform your business. So I think this is a fantastic opportunity to explore how Agentforce can handle real world scenarios. I recommend it. Within your own environment, it can mean everything. So want to see how it might handle customer sentiment analysis on support cases? Or perhaps you're curious about automating responses to common inquiries. Foundations lets you test these ideas and do more than just even that. You can actually go and see it work in real time. So imagine being able to demonstrate to your team or even your leadership tangible examples of how generative AI can improve your operations. This isn't just a theory, it's practical, hands-on experience that can drive real results. And don't worry if you're not technical expert, this interface, most of it's designed to be user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Plus, we at Solved are always here to assist you if you have any questions or need guidance. So take advantage of this zero-cost opportunity, install Salesforce Foundations, start experimenting and see firsthand how Agentforce can revolutionize your customer interactions and streamline your workflows. It's an investment of your time that could yield significant returns for your business. So, with Salesforce Foundations explained, also, feel free to contact us at Solved for a free consultation. We're here to help you identify the highest ROI starting points for your business. We've been actively implementing Agentforce for clients, and we're passionate about helping you leverage its power. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand some basics around how Agentforce can help track customer satisfaction. If you're interested in exploring Agentforce further, please reach out to Solved.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.